guys, this is Balázs. Today I'm gonna show you the Cascara. First with 3, 2, sun play. So let's give it a shot. Next I will show you the Cascara with 3, 2, rumba play. Next, I will show you the 2-3 Cascara with 2-3 Soundclave. And then, now I will show you the Cascara 2-3 Cascara with 2-3 rumba clave. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you